Do you want to crack IIT or NEET? If yes, then Resonance Delhi is bringing all types of courses, morning, evening, weekdays, weekends, offline as well as online. So choose the course which suits you the best. In short, we are launching crash course for JEE Main, JEE Advanced as well as NEET for those students जो already अभी class 12th में थे और अब वो इन exams को face करने जाए. Then we are launching our Vikas as well as Vipul batch for those students who will move to class 11 from class 10. And we are launching batches like Vijeta and Vishwas for those students who are moving to class 12 from class 11. तो अगर आपने कहीं पढ़ाई की है और satisfied नहीं हो, आपको लग रहा है आपका 11th बिगड़ गया है, then you can join Resonance and you will have a full support for class 11 as well as class 12. Also, for the first time, we are launching a course which you can customize. So if you want to choose only physics, कि maths और chemistry में अपने से manage कर सकता हूँ, you can opt for physics. If you want to opt for only maths, then also you can do. So you can customize your course subject-wise as well as topic-wise. Details of these courses are in the description below or just give us a call. We wish you all the best and we want you all to be the part of Resonance family. That's all for now. Thank you so much.